Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name SamiQN and I stay in Nairobi, Kenya. So today's video I want to show you how to solve this. This is called a Rubik's Cube. So you are supposed to match colors. It has 6 sides and each side should have only one color. For example, if this is green, all this should be green. If this is yellow, all these cubes should be yellow. So right now it is not, it is shuffled. So I am going to show you how to solve this cube. In this video, kindly just make sure that you have watched until the end, because during the video I am not going to give any instructions. You're just going to watch and observe. By the end of this video, you should be able to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let us go. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. The video I promised you about my empty house tour will be coming in the next few days, probably 4 days or 3. Yeah, so stay tuned and I will see you then. Have a good night. Okay, right now I am shooting this video at around 11 p.m. So it's night here. Sijui huko kwenyu ni saa ngapi, ama sijui utawachi video saa ngapi, maybe itakuwa asubuhi or mchana or something like that. Anyway, it's a good night from this side. Bye.